Hey people, Man Drinking Tea here. How are you? Anyway, just sitting around thinking about this and that and that and this, and the thought occurred to me. One of those rare occasion thoughts. What if inanimate objects such as a pen or one of these dealies or whatever actually wasn't inanimate? What if it actually could see? And it's been spying on you. I am going to go and get a random object and get its point of view. See what it sees on a daily basis. Anyway, I'll be right back.
Generals gathered in their masses, just like witches at black masses. Evil minds that plot destruction, sorcerer of death's construction. In the fields of bodies burning, as the war machine keeps turning. Oh, Lord, God is calling. Underneath the war pigs screaming. No more war pigs have the power.
Well, that was very interesting. Next time maybe I'll bring a view from remote or brush. Toilet paper? Maybe. Oh, could be anything. View from roll. I think it was paper towel. Anyway, that was the view from the broom. So, Man Drinking Tea, and I am out.